there. I am James from Baby Toys. Today we are going to review one of the best toy, LeapFrog Scoop and Learn Ice Cream Cart. Let's start what included. Learning is sweet when pretending to run your own ice cream cart. Create imaginative and tasty looking ice cream combinations using delicious ice cream flavors and toppings. Use the magic scooper to scoop up the ice cream and toppings to build customer orders, and it will recognize the colors and flavors. Ring the bell to let them know their order's up. Use the 6 double-sided cards to complete ice cream treat orders to build memory and sequencing skills. Scooper, is it vanilla or mint? The magic scooper knows ice cream and knows if you follow the correct order. Build memory skills with a song. Completing customers' orders is fun when you sing along. Pump it up. Press the pretend syrup pump and count along from 1 to 10. Dream about running your own ice cream cart? Now you can. Pretending to run an ice cream cart expands the imagination. Take your treats on the go. Push the adorable cart along to hear music while looking for new customers. Whether you're taking the cart for a stroll or you're done playing, easily store the 22 pieces inside the cart.